Nebula is a distinct luminescent part of the interstellar medium which can consist of ionized, neutral, or molecular hydrogen and also cosmic dust. It occupies the space between stars and acts as a nursery for new stars. The word nebula comes from the Latin word nebulae, which means cloud or fall. Ptolemy recorded in his books around 150 AD 5 stars that appeared nebulas. The first true nebula was mentioned by Abd al-Rahman al-Sufi in his book titled Fixed Stars. In 1610, Nicolas Claude Fabry de Peiresc discovered the Orion Nebula using a telescope. The nebula was also observed by Johann Baptist Cysat in 1618. However, the first detailed study of the Orion Nebula was performed by Christian Huygens in 1659. Bright nebulae appear as faintly luminescent glowing surfaces. They either give off light on their own or reflect light from surrounding stars. The many forms of nebulae have a wide range of formation processes. While some nebulae are created by stars, others are formed from gas that is already present in the interstellar medium. The ones created by stars form as a molecular cloud collapses under its own weight. An example is a planetary nebula formed from material shed by a star in the late stages of its stellar evolution. Other nebulae are created by supernova explosions, which are the final moments of huge, short-lived stars. Nebulae are made of dust and gases, mostly 90% hydrogen and 10% helium. The major types of nebula are emission, reflection, and dark nebula. An emission nebula is a nebula formed from ionized gases that emit light of various wavelengths. High-emission ultraviolet photons emitted from a nearby bright star are the primary causes of ionization. Planetary nebula is a shell of gas produced by a star as it nears the end of its life cycle. Reflection nebula is a cloud of dust and gas that reflects the light energy from a nearby star or group of stars. The frequency spectrum shown by reflection nebula is similar to that of the illuminating stars. A dark nebula is so dense that it obscures the visible wavelength of light from objects behind it. The extinction of the light is caused by the interstellar dust grains located in the coldest, densest parts of the molecular clouds. Nebula, though merely clouds of non-complex gas and dust, possess a special place in the hearts of any who have seen their photographs. Thank you for watching.